What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Perplexity AI design and research the presentation slides in 5 minutes. So first you need to open the Perplexity AI's website, and then you need to make sure that you have logged in or sign up with a Perplexity account, and then you need to make sure that you have purchased the Perplexity Pro account. And after that, in the command section, you just simply need to enter the topic for which you want to make slides for. And as you can see, I have given the command to generate a web app presentation slides for the topic stock market and analysis. And after that, I will just simply click on the set sources for search. And then I will just turn on all these sources, and especially the finance source, because I want on the topic of stock market, which is the topic of finance. So I'll turn this on and then I'll hit enter. And then this will start making my presentation slides. And as you can see, it has created my title slide, the agenda slide, the introduction to stock market, challenges of investing without analysis, and why stock market analysis. And it just got interrupted due to some internet connection issues. I'll just simply try it again, and then it will generate the whole presentation slide. And as you can see, it has generated the other slides which were just not generating due to some internet problem, but it has generated the full presentation. So this is how you can generate a web presentation slides for any of the topics in Perplexity AI. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.